We carry a few parts for the Inca Bandsaws, primarily guide kits, band wheel tires, both rubber and urethane, but more importantly, what's mostly purchased for Inca Bandsaws is our line of bandsaw blades. We custom make the bandsaw blades and we ship them out within 24 hours. Sawblade.com offers a parts discount program, meaning if you buy $500 to $2,000 a calendar year in bandsaw blades, you get 5 to 20% off your bandsaw parts. We've had customers tell us that the guide upgrade kits help increase their blade life. So basically, you're not just buying a blade upgrade kit, you're investing in your bandsaw. Sawblade.com is unique that we offer bandsaw blades, bandsaw parts, how to put the parts on, and we can control the customer experience. And we think that's just a fantastic combination for all end users, from DIY to heavy industrial.